Hi, my name is Cathy Parks, and I am a registered nurse as well as a certified wound care nurse and public health nurse. I'm also the founder of leveluprn.com. So I graduated from nursing school in December of 2015 from Cal State San Marcos. I was part of their ABSN or accelerated program, which is for students who have a bachelor's degree in an unrelated field. So my previous bachelor's degree is in computer science engineering, and I spent a number of years as an IT manager at Procter & Gamble before deciding to switch careers. So I went back to nursing school to really do something that was more meaningful, more interesting, and something that really fed my soul, which nursing totally does for me. So as a second degree student and as an older student, I was very focused in nursing school, and I had a strong work ethic, and I worked very hard, and that really helped me a lot. Some of my classmates towards the end of nursing school were struggling to pass the comprehensive predictor exam, which is required to graduate. So I started holding study sessions with my friends to help them focus on the key nursing concepts they needed to know and to offer my tips and tricks for remembering information. So these sessions were really helpful, and in the end, all of my classmates ended up passing their exam and going on to graduate. Well, word got out after graduation to other cohorts at Cal State San Marcos, and I started holding study sessions in my family room for lots of nursing students for a while. But after a while, it got to be a little too much time-wise because I was starting my job as a new grad RN at Scripps Encinitas Hospital. I also have kids, so there's just too many commitments. So I decided just to film myself giving my study sessions, offering my tips and tricks and helping people understand those key nursing concepts. And I put those videos on YouTube where I figured the Cal State San Marcos students can watch them there. Well, as it turned out, it was not only Cal State San Marcos students watching those videos, it ended up being students from California all the way to Hong Kong. So those videos were really helpful for thousands of students. It wasn't long after that I started releasing flashcards. So flashcards was really my secret weapon in nursing school, because in nursing school you have to know so many different concepts and things, and it really takes repetition to be able to understand and memorize those things. So I had my flashcards and I took them everywhere with me. I took them to the kid pickup line, to the gym, on a walk, camping, you name it. They came with me everywhere, and they really helped me be successful on my exams and learn the material better. So as it turns out, my revamped cards, because I made them better than they were in nursing school, were really helpful for thousands of people as well as the videos. And that really led me to my passion, a passion that I have today, which is I am committed and I love helping nursing students get through nursing school and focus on the key nursing concepts they need to know to be successful on their exams with Nclex and later on as a nurse, right? So our goal is to help everyone become a safe and effective nurse. So I invite you to use our resources, our videos, our cards, as well as other resources here on our website to help supplement what you are getting from nursing school already through instruction and through your textbooks. So we are here for you. We're committed to helping nursing students everywhere, and I wish you the best of luck with nursing school. Take care.